Hello gardeners. Now I will tell you why the leaves of tomatoes curl, and how quickly and simply it can be fixed. Because if you do not take this problem into account, it will not lead to anything good. And it doesn't matter which tomatoes you grow, hybrids or varietal. All of them are subject to twisting of the leaves. And it also doesn't matter where they are grown in the open ground or in a greenhouse. There are a lot of reasons why the leaves are twisted, but there is one most common one, which I will tell you about. Now it's July on the calendar, a strong heat wave, which is the reason for the twisting of the leaves. And to be more precise, the heat in combination with weak watering causes twisting of the leaves. We were told about this at school. It's all about photosynthesis. If you forgot what it is, then I'll remind you now. For photosynthesis, the plant needs to take water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the environment. And under the influence of sunlight at the time of photosynthesis, the plant receives glucose and releases oxygen. But when there is little moisture in the soil, the plant understands this and begins to twist the leaf, closing the leaf plate through which moisture evaporates, thereby saves itself. But because of this, photosynthesis worsens, and with it nutrition and the overall development of the plant. Now you personally know why tomato leaves curl. And now let's solve this problem. You need to set up the correct watering. As you can see, drip irrigation is installed on my tomatoes, and as you can see, the leaves are either not twisted at all, or slightly twisted on some tomatoes. This means that there is enough watering. Since drip irrigation deeply soaks the soil, I'm not forcing you to install drip irrigation, but just provide enough moisture to your tomatoes. Make a recess around the trunk of tomatoes so that after watering the water accumulates under the plant and does not spread to the sides. Also mulch the soil under tomatoes. This will help to retain moisture longer. And at the end of the video I tell you how I water tomatoes. While tomatoes are blooming and fruits appear on the plants, I water them every day in the evening, 1 gallon per plant. When they begin to ripen in the first bunch with fruits, they turn red. I start watering less often, namely once every 2 days. And when the fruits begin to ripen on the whole plant, I water even less often, only once 5 days. Because if they continue to be watered abundantly, then the fruit begins to crack. Therefore, remember these rules and apply tomatoes on your plants. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments below this video. And if the information was useful, put a like, and also subscribe to my channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the next video.